Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And this video I'm going to be talking about how to transfer money from Revolut to another bank. So you need to send money from Revolut to a bank account, whether you're paying a friend, sending money to a family member, or transferring funds to your own account. I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So your first step would be to open up the Revolut app. So go ahead and open up the Revolut app. Once you have opened up the Revolut app, just simply sign into your account. Make sure you have enough available funds in your account before beginning the transfer. If you do not, go ahead and use the add money option to simply add money into your account. Make sure you've signed into your account. If you do not have an account, please make sure you sign up for Revolut. You would see the option to sign up if you haven't already. And then once you have some money in your account, just go ahead and click on the send option. So go ahead and click on send or tap on payments. You should see an option as tap or payment on transfer. So from the home screen, just simply tap on send or simply tap on payments or transfers, depending on your version of the app. All right, and once that's done, you can now proceed to simply add a new bank recipient. So once you're here, just go ahead and add a new bank recipient. You should find that option on your device. Go ahead and add a new local recipient and then select the bank account and enter the recipient's information carefully. Once you've done so, you can now enter the bank details such as the SWIFT code, IBAN, sort code, and routing number. You may be asked to enter information such as the recipient's name, account number, and other details depending on the country of the recipient. All right, and once that's done, go ahead and enter the amount you'd like to send. You could either send it in your local currency or in their currency. The conversion is done. So enter the amount of money you want to send, and you can also add a reference note if needed. And please make sure to include references or comments if it is a business transaction. All right, so with that out of the way, the next thing is to simply review the exchange rates and fees. If you're sending money internationally, review the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Revolut often shows the exact amount the recipient will receive before you send the transfer. So, as such, acknowledge it when you're sending from a US bank account to a European account or to a Chinese account. It goes the same way if you're sending from your Chinese balance over to a European balance or a US dollar balance. It would be reflected here when making such transactions. All right, guys, so please keep this in mind and then proceed to make your transaction so it is sent. All right, and now the next step is to simply review your transaction. So review all your transfer details one more time. Once you're satisfied with everything, tap on send or confirm transfer. So you should see an option such as send or confirm transfer. And then once you're done, you can begin tracking the transfer status. So after sending, you can track the transfer directly within Revolut. Transfer times vary depending on the receiving bank and country. And then lastly, keep your transfer secure by always verifying your recipient details before sending money and enabling security features on your Revolut account. This helps protect your funds and reduces the risk of unauthorized transactions, such as making sure your location-based security is turned on, where they will use your location to determine if your card has been compromised and help prevent fraudulent transactions. Or swipe payments. Sometimes cards are getting cloned, so switch up swipe payments for extra security. And you can also turn off contactless payments. So if you do not need to use contactless payments, you can switch them off. And if you do not plan to withdraw cash, you can always switch the ATM withdrawals off as well. And you can turn off online transactions. That way, you get to keep your card secure and away from internet based transactions that are generally higher risks. All right, guys, so that's how to transfer money from Revolut to another bank. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.